Wait, why do we do this? Why do we close our eyes every single time we sneeze? Ever thought about it? Imagine if we didn't. You'd be sneezing with your eyes wide open, and let's be honest,
What the fuck?
that'd look pretty terrifying.
I feel fine.
Let's not forget the old myth that your eyeballs could pop out if you sneezed with them open. Is that even true? Spoiler alert. It's not. Better safe than sorry, right? Here's the real reason. When you sneeze, your body goes into protection mode. Sneezing is a reflex that shoots air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. To keep all that pressure from messing with your eyes, they automatically shut to protect themselves. It's your body's way of saying, eyes, you better sit this one out. So yeah, closing your eyes when you sneeze, it's just your body's way of keeping everything in place.